Hi family, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me for fall. I know I'm a little late, but as they say, better late than never. I'm always a little late on my decor processes or styling, but whatever, we get it done. That's all that matters. So anyway, in today's video, we are going to be setting up the entire home for fall. All right, family, let's get into the video. So these are my fall decor boxes. I did get a few new things, but majority of my fall decor I got last year when I bought my house. So a lot of them are still new and in style. So I didn't go crazy this year. I'm mostly going to be cleaning and just adding a few fall pieces here and there throughout the house. So first, let's start with the dining room. As you all know, in my previous video, I actually did a deep clean of the whole house. So this is literally a few days later. So the whole house is actually really clean. It's still clean, but I just needed to touch up a few places and then add my fall pieces. So all I'm doing is cleaning off my buffet table and the dining table so that I can change out the decor that was there to the fall stuff. So that's really all I'm doing here. So this piece I got last year. Again, a lot of the pieces are brand new because I purchased my home last year, and I also decorated for a lot of the seasons. I think I moved into the home in May, so I was able to do some spring decor. I was able to do some summer stuff and some fall and Christmas stuff. So I do, like I said, have a lot of my decor pieces. So this piece was from Home Goods. I really like it. It's a really big piece, and with this you don't really have to do anything much. I'm keeping it clean and simple, so that's all I'm going to be putting on the buffet table. I love the color. The colors I should say. It's so fall-like, it's so vibrant, and it just brings a lot of color and light to this area. And so that is all I'm going to be doing here. Moving on to the dining table, I'm going to be transitioning the other pieces that I got from the buffet table to the dining table, and that is all I'm going to be doing here as well. As I said, I'm keeping it really light and airy. I don't want to clutter anywhere, so I'm just going to put a few pieces in a few places. So I'm just putting these 3 pieces here, these 2 gold trays that I got from, I think it was Home Goods, and then the middle one was from At Home, and I got the moss from Amazon. So just putting back the dining tables or chairs. All right, family, moving on to the kitchen. The kitchen needs a little bit of work, but again, the whole house was deep cleaned, so it doesn't need that much work. So I am just organizing the things that I have here, putting some things away. Again, switching out some of the, I guess you would say the summer pieces, and adding the fall pieces in. I do clean the kitchen almost every day. As far as the deep clean, it'll be once a week or once every 2 weeks. But I'm always finding myself cleaning the kitchen because this is where, this is the part of the house that we really use a lot. So the kitchen is clean, I want to say, on a daily basis. There's always something to do, whether it's the dishes, the counters, the wiping of the counters, the oven, the microwave, the refrigerator, fingerprints on stuff. It's almost on a daily basis for the kitchen. All the other places can go a few days, but the kitchen is an everyday thing. So I'm just cleaning off the countertop using my disinfectant cleaning solution to get the counters clean, and then organizing everything else and putting them in their places so that I can bring out the fall stuff. Nadia actually went to the pumpkin patch with her cousin and her baby cousin as well. That is where they got that pumpkin from, the one you just saw. That one is actually real. They got that from there. One of the new stuff that I got were the kitchen towels. So I got 2 kitchen towels. I usually like to have 2 here. I'm not sure why, but two is better than one, because sometimes one of them go missing and we can't find it anywhere. So we decided to start doing two. So anyway, these ones are new pieces because I couldn't find the ones from last year. I don't know where I put it. I'm pretty sure I put it in the Christmas decor boxes, but yeah, I couldn't find them. So I did go ahead and get these new ones. These were from Ross and they were only, I think, $9.99. So I thought that was pretty affordable. Anyway, back to our box. Moving on to the living room. This is my pumpkin from last year. I really like this pumpkin. I got it from Home Goods. It's a pretty big pumpkin, but I love the material. I love the details. It's heavy, it's pretty, it's rich. I just really like it. And I feel like this is something that's not going to go out of style. Every fall, I'm probably going to be able to use it. Anyway, moving on to the actual living room. This throw blanket, I wanted to put at the edge of the couch here, but I realized it was so wrinkled. I tried to fix it, wasn't working, so I did go ahead and do a different one. So this is the one I ended up going with. I also got this last year, but I ended up getting two more of these for the other parts of the house because last year I only did the living room, dining room, and kitchen. I didn't do any other parts in the house. And today we're only going to be doing a few parts of the house as well. I'll do the rest later, but I realized that I was getting so late on my fall decor. So I just wanted to do something really quick so that I'm not the last one like I usually am. The only decor season that I really take super serious is Christmas because Christmas is my favorite holiday. But every other holiday or season, I just ease my way into it and I'm not in a rush. By the way, Nadia plays on this table a lot, so she has her stickers all in my book, my Tom Ford book, the coffee table. She has her stickers everywhere, and you'll see that in some clips here. Anyway, moving on to this side, I did go ahead and take out the summer pieces, and I'm adding the fall pieces, and I'm keeping it really nice and simple here as well. So just adding the pumpkin, and we have our nice warm fall colors there, and that's it. That's all we're doing for this area. I really like this area. I think this is my mom's favorite place. She likes to sit there and look right out the window, which is directly across from these two seats. Sometimes I sit there too, but if we're being honest, my favorite room in the house is my bedroom. I spend a lot of time in my bedroom because I have a little corner there that I can work, and I also can lay on the bed. It's a whole thing by itself, so that's my favorite spot. But anyway, that's a story for another day. But yeah, this is what this corner is looking like. I really like it. Let's move on to the fireplace. This pumpkin is a brand new piece. I really like that. And surprisingly, I actually found that at Ross. It was $19.99, and I thought it was cute. This piece, or little pumpkin, I had from last year, and it came as a set of 3. I have one in the bookshelf. I don't think I filmed it when I put it in there, but yeah, I have one in there. So I also got this last year. I got this from At Home, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add it into the vase there. And yeah, this is what the living room looks like. And those are the stickers on the coffee table I was talking about. I went past it really quick. Let me know if you see it. Comment in the comment section if you saw the stickers. But yeah, look how vibrant and pretty these colors are. I really like fall, even though Christmas is my favorite. But if I had to choose, I would say my next favorite would be either fall or spring. So yeah. Anyway, this is what the fireplace area looks like. It's really pretty, but really simple. Alright family, let's move on to the second living room. This has been Nadia's favorite room because there's a lot of room down here. The couch is lower to the floors, and there's not a lot of breakable things here, so she doesn't get yelled at a lot, even though she has a room and her closet is literally like her playroom because it's a big space, has a lot of toys in there, and you can do a lot in there. There's also a downstairs where she could play, but for some reason she likes this room, so she has been spending a lot of time in here as well. So anyway, just adding some fall pieces again. That's the blanket I was telling you all about. I have another one for down here. I'm adding a pumpkin to the coffee table, and I'm adding some of the fall flowers. I forget what these are called, but just adding it to that thing there to bring again some of the fall colors down here, so everything is not so black and white. This is my reason for liking neutral color furniture, is because you can switch it up by just adding little things and the whole room changes to whatever season you want it to. So that's one of the reasons I really love neutral colors. But yeah, family, this was a really quick and easy clean and decorate with me video. I hope you loved it. Please comment your favorite part below, and if you haven't seen any of my other clean with me videos, please go ahead and watch the videos. I'll leave some at the end of the video here in the card, or you can click on the channel and you'll see the rest of the decor videos there. I also started a series on narcissism on my second YouTube channel. I'll try to link it below so you guys can see it. It has been doing really well on TikTok. We're doing really good numbers on TikTok. So a lot of people suggested that I put it on YouTube, but I decided to put it on my second channel. So as I said, I'll leave the link here. Please go ahead and subscribe and go ahead and watch those videos as well, and let me know what your thoughts are. I really appreciate you guys' feedback, and yeah, it's been good. So anyway, that is it for today's video. I hope you all loved it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.